Hey everyone, hope you all are doing fine and well. This is Street Smart Joker, and today we are going to do an unboxing video. And this is the package that we are going to open today. Inside it is one of the most famous Batman storylines of all times, if not the greatest. And it's also the origin of one of the most important character in not just the Batman universe, in the entire DC universe. So let's jump in and see what this book is. So let's quickly jump in. I already cut across a tear because I didn't want to spend too much time on that, and then pull out this book. It's solidly packed, as you guys can see, right? And it is kept neatly in between the packaging, which is really good. So ensures that there is no bent in the book or smudges, or the corners may get bent little bit. So most of the stuff is taken care of by this kind of packaging. So I'm really happy for the guy to send it like this. And the good part is I can see that this is still shrink wrapped, which is really good, right? Means this is an unused copy, and the copy is of none other than the famous Killing Joke by Alan Moore, right? The origin story of the Joker, for those of you guys who are not aware of it. But I'm guessing for most collectors, you may have already have purchased this book at some point in or another, and you may already be having it in your collection. I already have a deluxe edition for the Killing Joke earlier, but that was the previous deluxe edition which came around 10 years before this. So this is the latest one, and the difference which I can right away see is that in the earlier one, it was a bit of zoomed out image of the Joker, and you could see the top of his hat and stuff like that. This is a zoomed in image which they've kept on the cover. That's one difference which I could make out. And the another one which I heard or I read is that this is a 90 pages edition versus the last one being a 64 page edition. So that means there is something extra in this book which was not there in the earlier edition, right? I really love hardbound books, and this is one such beauty. So we are going to dive deep into this and see what's in store for us. So let's get right to it. Hey, so quickly let's jump into this magnificent book, which is Batman the Killing Joke Deluxe Edition by Alan Moore and illustrated by Brian Bolland, right? I'm just opening the outer wrapping, shrink wrapping, just in front of you guys, so that, I mean, this is where you lose the mint quality of the book forever, right? There's no going back from here. Now it's a used book the moment I remove this shrink wrapping. And that's unfortunate. Ideally, I would love to have kept this forever, but you need to make your choices. I need to read it. There's nothing that can take my joy of reading away. Opening this book up, you could also see a beautiful illustration of Joker's half face. I'm expecting the other half. Okay, it's not there. It just says smile here. Let's open up the entire outer wrapping. Oh wow, this is simply beautiful. I don't think this was there as part of the last deluxe edition. That's quite cool. Let me see what's behind it. Okay, that's an extension of the same cover art. I'll just open it up for you guys so that you can see it in full. That's how it looks on the binding. This is simply outstanding, simply brilliant. Wow, it's awesome to get a Brian Bolland image like this on the binding. And we will just keep the cover aside for a minute when we go and dive deeper into the book. But I love the cover as well. It has shades of purple, white, black, some very good colors there, and it talks about something that what does it have? It says it has the Batman Killing Joke Deluxe Edition, It obviously has Killing Joke, and it has stories from Black and White number 4 and Countdown number 31. Okay, these are the additional stuff. Batman volume 4 is not something I have. I have volume 2 and volume 3 right here, so would be interesting to see that. And it obviously has extras and covers and sketches, right? So it's bigger than the last edition. It has additional stuff in it, so let's see what those are. Right, going into this stunning book, opening it up. Okay, this is something which was there in the earlier book as well. I still remember this, and it's by Alan Moore, Brian Bolland. Again, Brian Bolland is both the artist and colorist, for you, those of you guys who don't know it, right? Simply, I'm a fan of him. So there is an introduction by Tim Sale. I don't think this was there in the last book, and then we jump into the panels. I think these are familiar panels to all those who opened and owned this book. It has been recolored from the original versions, and I simply love the coloring, and because it brings out a lot of vibrance, and then it goes into pictures where it reminds you of the old Joker origin story, as well as there are spoilers in these books, right? I'm not hiding it. I'm assuming that most of you guys know this already, if not all of you, because this is a pretty popular story, and it's been there for multiple years. I'm just quickly jumping and trying to show some inside cover art, and then we'll quickly jump into the extras and the additional material over and above what's there in the Killing Joke, right? Killing Joke is an eternal classic story, and you have all the elements, including Joker Batman face off, that makes this story really enjoyable, and you can keep reading it again and again. That's why I would ask you or recommend you to own this book, not just pick it up from the library, read it and give it back, because this is one for keepers. And then it has a 2-page splash of the Joker. I think it gives you a history on who the Joker is. I think this was also part of the earlier book, and this couple of pages which is like another origin play, right? It's an extension. It was also there, and this story which is called, I forgot what it is called, but this story is also I really love this art piece. I hope you guys can see it very clearly, right? I think it's the cover story or something. Yeah, this is also part of the earlier book, and these are the images Brian Bolland had used. I think this is himself on to recreate this final image, which is iconic, right? And then we go into sketches. I don't think these sketches were there in the initial book. I may be wrong. And then we have an art gallery, which is really interesting, because we have this one is the what fish, the laughing fish or something. I think this is from that laughing fish. I would really love if I could get that that comic in someday. And then Batman Joker, The Last Laugh. This is also another iconic cover. So this book gets interesting, and it just does not give you the covers, it also gives you a background material on it, right? That way it's really good. And then it jumps into some of the other famous covers of Joker. So if you're a Joker fan, must have, must own. I don't think these materials are collected in the earlier deluxe edition. Someday I will do a comparison between this and that and show you what exactly are the differences. But I hope you guys are enjoying these covers as much as I am. Harley Quinn, somebody who cannot be missed in the DC universe now. She's got her own standalone stories. I really love the matte finish that these pages have, and it really pops up the artwork. This one is one of the most brilliant images that I could see inside this book. And then it also goes into Detective Comics number 1000 variant cover. This is the one. I have a Detective Comics number 1000, not this cover, and different cover. So that's it, guys. It's a pretty short book. Killing Joke has always been short book, but I'm happy that they added a bit of extras to make it more of a why buy for a collector. Like, why would I buy this if I already have a existing deluxe edition, and now I have reasons to, right? Now if I had to make a choice between this and the older one, I would be more leaning towards keeping this versus the older one, because it has all the goodness of the last book, as well as it has new stuff, which are the covers, afterwards and all that, right? So that way, recommended from me, definitely recommended to own and buy the new deluxe edition book. So I hope you really like this short unboxing and a quick run through of the latest Killing Joke deluxe edition from me. And so that's a wrap. Please do subscribe, please do like, and wait, because there are lots and lots of new stuff coming. You could see the pile of books. You may not see it entirely, but there are pile of books that I have ready. Once I get time, I'll start pushing all those videos out one by one. So until next time, bye bye, stay safe.